I was asked to show how the MyBlock system works, and what I've got here is I've got two programs running simultaneously, both with a MyBlock in the middle. MyBlocks contain more than one program block all condensed down. So these have different little features that I've added, like right here is the time. So that time is a variable. It's going to plug in right here and say if it's going to keep looping until it reaches a certain amount of time. The default is 10 seconds, and it's going to exit the loop. The other program has a true or false, checking if the display feature should be cleared at the beginning of this program, which displays all of the sensors and motor ports that are on the robot. And going back, we're going to show how to make a MyBlock. So this is the MyBlock builder right here. We've got to name the MyBlock. So I believe this is just a touch sensor control, and then you give a description of it. Fitting. Now we add a an input thing. So I want mine to be able to say how many seconds it is. We're making the block we had at the beginning. So how many seconds we're driving for, or how many seconds the loop goes for. And the other one is going to be the motor speed. So I'm just selecting right now that it's going to be a numeric thing, and the start value is going to be 10. And it's going to be the type on the right side was the type of input it was, so a slider or a typing thing. The next type that we're just adding is we're going to name this one the motor speed, and it'll be a numeric. We're going to click on the slider vertical and give it a little icon, just like we did the last one. We're going to give the whole variable an icon, and once we got our description and the basic number set, so from -100 to 100 on that one, we should be good. So when we hit create, we're done. It's going to bring up a open window with the two variables on the far left hand side. Now I'm looking at this, the block I made actually referred to a different MyBlock, so I'm going to add in that same seconds block just for the sake of convenience, and then I'll delete the other one in just a second. So I'm connecting it just how I would. I linked from the outside into here, and I go do all the normal stuff. I'm going to drag that blue out. There, I deleted the block. I drag the blue line out and for the true-false variable into the loop. Now I add a input. The input from the 0 to 100 is going to go into a variable, and then that variable is going to be read and put into the motor speed. And I'm just checking my variable to make sure it's on the right thing.